Okay, so we have it three left: Eclipse, Sparkle, and Chrome. Ellipse, it's a very similar to the disk what we have it. It's only you can notice right here it's have it kind of a little bit shrink on the side, so it's more eclipse type instead the circle. So instead the disk. However, it's have it same effect. It's have it the size, have it inside the RAM, outside, so middle. We can adjust this one. Same. We have the effect on the smoothing and apply softness on this. So it's very similar to disk what we had before. So how say only except it's elliptical and it will fade a little bit more to the edges of ours. So in this case, it will affect fading similar to the our ring that we had before. Only have a little bit control without rainbow kind of colors. You have it color overall applied to your rings as well to the eclipse. Okay, next is a sparkle, and this is kind of very interesting element that create all these sparks kind of going from the center. Again, this is another one to very nice using on a point lights when you want to do without maybe some lens effect, just add sparks effect to some properties, maybe on some glass reflection, just overall nice sparks effects. You can have it. We have it position, brightness, so you can add multiple. Okay, you have it overall scale, which is if you do very fast, it look like almost Star Wars going in a space or Star Trek. Count of them. We have it again random seed for the which is represent. Okay, let me scale just slightly down. One will represent shape overall, and another which random spikes inside the shape. Okay, we also have it as options anamorphic as everywhere, and one way which is will limit it only to one way. In some cases, okay, it is simulating like a laser point towards just directly on a camera. In real life, you don't want this because it will burn some pixels in your camera, but it's why you want to do this in post-production, so you can have this effect of the laser point directly on a camera without destroying the camera. And we have it other color, so let's again switch this one. And overall, you can see we can apply different colors. Again, that is maybe a nice effect. You want to use it on some lightings, inside the concerts or some other effect or even sci-fi. So it's give it very fun, very artistic effects. Okay, so let's go ahead, delete this one, and we have it last one, chroma fade. And you notice before we was using one with a kind of color was chroma rings of things. This one is have a 2 on end, but we have it more properties here. We have a position of this element from the center. Overall, we have a brightness of the element. We have a scale of the element. We have a chroma spread, which is similar. We'll have our effect or distortion on a side of the lens. You can see right here we have it from no chroma problems with a kind of going offset on the elements. Okay, next we have also angle rotation for our chroma. Cycles, and currently we have 3 cycles, so we can have it one cycle just like in a chroma fan, or we can have it a lot of multiple cycles for this. So in some cases will represent how many blades you have it or how many elements you have on your sensor. So it's more to simulate more accurately of the effect. Okay, so let's go to back maybe to 3, somewhere around there. Okay, we have it also density. Apply how many of the strikes will be located there. Spread of the elements from all the way circle to this. We have it also radial offset from the center of the image. And a noise which applied also to the thickness randomness inside the pen. Then also we have a tapper box, and you can see currently we have it right here. It's kind of fading on the edge. If we disable, it will be solid without fading on the edges. So by default it's enabled, and we have it. Our color is defining our color for the spectrum that we're going to use. Okay, so right here we look over on our all elements, 19 elements. So we'll see some properties, and most of them you probably won't remember, but as you start using, you will kind of start learning. And again, it's all experimental, it's an art. So in our next tutorials, we'll start creating some of the links. So let's go create custom links, and we'll start using on a project. So kind of a little bit more fun for that.